Here is a Hyundai Tucson. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, open up the hatch. Now go ahead and get the physical key out of the key fob, and we need to put it right over there in that slot for the access panel right there, and then pry this access panel off, and off it comes. Now this is a locked position. You just have to twist to the left a little bit to unlock it. That's it. Now it's unlocked and it comes right out. To get the bulb out, all you have to do is just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is 194. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And now simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you put it back in the light, you have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in. See, right now it's not going in, and now good. Now at this point, all you have to do is just twist your right a little bit to lock it, and you're done. Now when you put this access panel back in, the outside edge, yep, this side, this needs to line up properly first, and then you press on the inner side to engage the clips, and that's about it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.